I picked this up today. It's dinosaur poo. It says it's sticky and it's yucky. So if we open it up, here it is inside. It has some glitter on. Just press it. This is quite weird. It is kind of sticky, and I can't really describe it. It has a sticky texture to it. You see, you've got the glitter that is actually coming off on my fingers. It's a cross between a putty and a slime. It's very squidgy. I can't really say if I like the texture to it. It just feels so wrong. I can't describe it. So anyway, that's my sticky dinosaur poo. It does have that wet consistency to it, but it's quite dry. The only thing I don't like is the fact that the glitter does come off in your hands. Whether or not that will work out of it, the more you play with it, but I don't think I will be handling this very much. So that's my dinosaur sticky yucky poo.